Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Unfolded. I am Alice, and today is a very special episode.
Hi everyone, I am Jake, and Alice, I have been practicing
Oh, really? Practicing what?
the 5 sentences from part 1. I used no worries 3 times yesterday, and someone looked at me like, wow, your English sounds really natural.
Oh, that is the best feeling when someone notices.
It felt so good. I also used that sounds like a plan when my coworker suggested lunch, and she just smiled and said, great, see you at noon.
That is exactly how it should feel, like you just had a real conversation. No thinking, no translating, just talking.
Yes, I want more of that feeling. I'm ready for part 2.
Perfect timing then. Today we are finishing our series, 5 more daily English sentences that will make your conversations feel even more natural, warm, and confident. Let's go.
Everyone, please hit the like button and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And if you have not watched part 1 yet, go watch that first and then come back for these 5. Okay, sentence number 6. This one is for a very specific and satisfying moment when someone asks you to do something and you were already going to do it. You say, I was just about to.
I was just about to, like I was just about to call you.
Exactly. Someone says, hey, can you send me that file? And you say, oh, I was just about to send it. It shows you are on top of things, and it is a very warm, connected feeling.
I was just about to make coffee. Do you want some? I was just about to text you.
Perfect. And the timing of it makes the other person feel like you two are in sync, like your thoughts are aligned.
I was just about to say that. Oh, I will use that a lot.
Sentence number 7. This one is for when you forgot something and you want to acknowledge it naturally without making it a big deal. You say, it slipped my mind.
It slipped my mind. That means I forgot, but in a softer way?
Yes, I forgot can sometimes sound careless. It slipped my mind sounds more human. It happens to everyone. I'm sorry, it completely slipped my mind. Or, oh no, that totally slipped my mind. I will do it right now.
It slipped my mind. I like this. It's honest, but not harsh. You're not making excuses, you're just explaining.
Exactly. And people respond to it very well. They usually say, no worries, which you already know how to say.
Haha, the phrases are connecting. It slipped my mind. No worries. A full exchange with natural English.
That is the goal. Okay, number 8. This one is for when someone does something kind or thoughtful for you. You say, that is so thoughtful of you.
That is so thoughtful of you. That's stronger than just thank you, right?
Much stronger. Thank you is expected. That is so thoughtful of you means you did not have to do this, and the fact that you thought of me means a lot. Your friend brings you soup when you're sick. You say, that is so thoughtful of you. I really needed this.
That is so thoughtful of you. It makes the other person feel truly appreciated, not just thanked, appreciated.
Yes, there is a difference, and people remember how you made them feel. This phrase makes them feel seen.
That is so thoughtful of you. I'm going to say this to my mom the next time she cooks for me.
Oh, she will love that. Sentence number 9. This one is for when you fully agree with someone, not just a little, completely. You say, I couldn't agree more.
I couldn't agree more. That means I agree 100%, as much as it's possible to agree.
Exactly. Someone says, English gets easier the more you practice. And you say, I couldn't agree more. It's enthusiastic and it validates what the other person just said. They feel heard and confirmed.
I couldn't agree more. It sounds very confident, too, like you've thought about this and you stand by it.
Right. You can also add, I couldn't agree more, actually. The actually adds a natural conversational rhythm.
I couldn't agree more, actually. That does feel very natural, like something a native speaker would say without thinking.
Exactly. And our 10th and final sentence, this one is one of the kindest things you can say to anyone at the end of a conversation when you want to leave the door open and show you care. You say, let me know if you need anything.
Let me know if you need anything. That's so warm. It's like a hug in words.
It really is, and it works in so many situations. Your friend is going through a hard time. Let me know if you need anything. A coworker is starting a new project. Let me know if you need anything. Someone is moving to a new city. Let me know if you need anything.
It's a standing offer. You're saying, I'm here, I'm available. If anything comes up, I'm your person.
Beautifully said. And people hold on to that feeling long after the conversation ends. Okay, let's put all 5 together in one role play, a natural conversation between two friends.
Let's do it.
Jake, hey, did you get my message this morning about the team lunch?
Oh, I'm so sorry. It slipped my mind completely. I've been swamped since 8.
No worries at all. It's just a casual lunch, nothing important. Are you free around noon?
I was just about to take a break, actually. Noon works perfectly.
Perfect. Oh, and I wanted to say thank you for covering my presentation last week when I was sick. That really helped me.
Of course, I'm glad it went okay.
It went great. That was so thoughtful of you. I really didn't expect it.
I couldn't agree more that good teammates make everything easier. You would have done the same.
Absolutely. Hey, let me know if you need anything from me this week, okay? I want to return the favor.
Thank you, Alice. I really appreciate that.
And all 10 sentences, both parts, a complete natural English conversation from start to finish.
I didn't even feel like I was doing a lesson. It felt like talking to a real friend.
Because you were, and that's the whole point. Okay, let's wrap up part 2. 5 more tools for your English toolkit.
I was just about to. Use it when you were already planning to do something. It creates an instant connection and synchronicity.
It slipped my mind, a kind and honest way to say you forgot something, softer than I forgot and much more human.
That is so thoughtful of you. For moments when someone does something genuinely kind, go beyond thank you and make them feel truly seen.
I couldn't agree more when you fully, completely agree with someone, confident, warm, and it validates the other person beautifully.
And let me know if you need anything. The sentence that keeps the door open. It says, I care about you and I'm here.
10 sentences, 2 episodes, and a completely new way to show up in any English conversation. Warmer, more natural, and more like yourself.
I feel like a different English speaker than I was 2 episodes ago, and all I changed were the words I reach for.
That's exactly it. The right words change everything. Everyone at home, leave a comment. Which sentence from part 1 or part 2 is your favorite? We want to know.
And if this series helped you, please give us a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to sound more natural in English.
Keep unfolding your voice. We are so proud of how far you have come. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Take care, everyone, and let me know if you need anything. Goodbye.